Hello and a very good afternoon to those in Europe, good morning to those in the US. So we're just going to do a quick preview of the headline bit of data out of the US today. So that's the US factory orders for May, due at 3 o'clock London time, so that's 9 o'clock in Chicago. Just in terms of that component, last month we did see the third back-to-back decline, so that followed on from a poor reading that we saw in March. Now, in terms of demand for US factory goods, we have seen a decline throughout the year, this on the back of poor consumer confidence, poor business confidence, and just a slowdown in terms of global growth quite generally. But in terms of the May reading, so the reading today, we're expecting a continued decline for non-durable goods, so i.e. food and gas. However, a bit of a boost in terms of long-lasting manufactured goods for the first time in 3 months, so that could buoy today's reading. The consensus today is for a reading of plus 0.1%, range low of minus 1.3 to a high of plus 1%. Previous reading was minus 0.6%, so expecting a slight increase from the prior. In terms of ISM readings, we have seen a modest levelling out of readings. However, yesterday's ISM manufacturing did show a reading below the 50 level, so a slight contraction there, slightly worrying in terms of manufacturing activity for the US. This bit of data is quite key considering today we have an early close in the pits and the floors, and also considering tomorrow is closed for the Independence Day holiday of the US. So this bit of data key going ahead to the rest of the week. We do have non-farm payroll on Friday. But for the time being, that's enough from me. Just looking ahead to the rest of the session, we do have IMF's Lagarde due on the wires at 3 o'clock London, so at the same time. We've also got revisions for durable goods for the month of May due at the same time as well. And then later on after market, we've got those weekly API inventory numbers before we go ahead to tomorrow's Department of Energy inventory numbers for the latest week. But in the meantime, have yourself a great afternoon, and we'll have a wrap up for you at the Wall Street closing bell. Thank you.